Welcome to the Crypto Lab channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Cardano. How SundaeSwap's community governance plans can benefit Cardano. Cardano's native decentralized cryptocurrency exchange, DEX, SundaeSwap, has not had an easy start, with several hardships strewn across its way from the beginning. The DEX continues to brave on, however, as it has now laid out the route for it to become a fully decentralized platform through community governance. This, days after its initial stake pull offering wreaked havoc on the decentralization of Cardano's native token, ADA. In a blog post earlier on 28 February, the exchange highlighted plans to hand over management of the protocol to the community, while noting the importance of this structure for complete decentralization. It noted, community guidance through smart contract-controlled voting and governance is a core step in creating an ownerless marketplace facilitating direct, trustless engagement between community members. However, it did reveal that the plan towards complete community governance might be a long way off, due to Cardano's current transaction size parameters. This is because the governance capabilities in SundaeSwap protocol smart contracts require transactions larger than 16 KB, which are currently not available on the network. However, the exchange noted that it is hopeful that once the Babbage HFC upgrades are implemented by IOG later in 2022, full smart contract-controlled governance could be implemented. In the meantime, however, a governance category called Sunday DAO in the SundaeSwap Discord has been created by its development team to discuss governance proposals and temperature checks on potential future proposals, the blog post noted. Additionally, a SundaeSwap governance discourse forum board for proposal voting, governance temperature checks, and general DAO discussion have also been created by the devs. This will provide an initial mechanism towards complete DAO independence, and will primarily be used for community proposal voting for light protocol proposals. However, proposals involving significant protocol parameter changes will have to go through the formal SundaeSwap governance interface. It should be noted here that SundaeSwap's previous experience with community voting had turned out to be disastrous, as its initial stake pool offering, ISPO, prompted billions of ADA to get concentrated into the hands of very few stake pool operators. While it soon enacted a reverse ISPO to mitigate these changes, it became clear that the effects of such centralization could be far-reaching for the whole Cardano network. Nevertheless, SundaeSwap remains Cardano's supremo, as it is the most popular decentralized exchange on the network, and holds an over 98% dominance, in terms of the total number of ADA locked in its smart contract. Out of Cardano's $116.07 million DeFi TVL, $114.06 level, so you won't lose all your money if the price falls further. However, it's still important to stay updated with the latest news and price movements, to make the most informed decisions about your investment. The Cardano price has dropped by more than 5% in the last 4 hours, which is a clear indication of an impending decline. Over the past several days, Cardano's market capitalization has decreased from $15 billion to roughly $10 billion. The Cardano price analysis concluded that there would be a drop as the value had fallen considerably during the Asian trading session. The Bollinger Bands, which are used to measure the volatility of a security, had tightened since the start of last week. The bands were indicative of a compressed market and low trading volumes. This is also confirmed by the Chaikin money flow indicator, which is in the negative territory. The CMF measures money flowing in and out of a security, and is usually taken together. The indicators suggest a bearish market in the short term. The Cardano price is currently being traded at $0.841, and has been down by more than 5% in the last 4 hours. The resistance is present at $0. Consequently, the price is likely to continue dropping in value, and might even fall below the $0.823 mark, which would be a significant plunge. The primary support is at the $0.823 level, but it's still important to keep an eye on the latest news and price movements to make the most informed decisions. The chicken money flow indicator is in the negative territory, and the Bollinger Bands have tightened since the start of last week, indicative of a compressed market and low trading volumes. So next news. Cardano price prediction 2022 to 2025. Will Cardano hit $10 soon? And now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.